two types of SP lines. First is SP line fit and second one is SP line CV. Right?
Yeah, sir.
By the SP line fit, you just activate by clicking here or you type SPL in the command window. Right? And press enter. And the next step is specify the first point. You just click here as the first point and click anywhere on your screen for your second point, and your line make curve from that point like this. Where you want to click, you can click. The line will have their curve on that point. Right?
Yeah, sir.
Oh, nice.
Right?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. The next SP line is called as SP line CV.
Sir, show me 1 second, sir.
Okay. You just activate your SP line from here. You just click here and specify the first point. Click here and this is your next point. Click here and your line will convert it into your arc like this or curve. Right? Right, Girish?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The another SP line is fit. SP line CV.
CV.
This is your SP line fit and this is your SP line CV. The full form CV is control vertices.
Where do we use this, sir? SP line.
SP line where you want, if you want any irregular curve, you can use this SP line.
In the previous drawing, we could have used SP line, right, sir?
In
The
which
way,
drawing?
place where we used fillet.
No. This is not replacement of fillet command.
No, I'm not telling replacement, but we could have used SP line instead of in the curve
Yes.
where we used fillet.
Yes. If you don't have any dimension of that curve, in
Okay.
that case, you can use this.
Sir, there is no need of dimension, no?
Sorry?
Sir, there is no need of dimension for SP line.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
If you have the several lines like this is your line segments, and copy your line segment in this situation like this. Right? And you want to connect this, you want to connect these start points, right? You can activate your SP line, click on these points like this.
Sir, for the cutting and filling embankments, it is necessary for
Yes.
that diagram.
Yeah, you can use anywhere where you
Okay,
want.
sir.
Right?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. The next command is SP line
CV.
CV. CV
Sir, how
is
did you draw that lines?
which one?
Vertical lines.
This lines. I
Yeah.
just draw one and
Okay.
copy the on the rest of the lines.
Okay.
Or you can, if you want to create the parallel ones, you can use the offset command. Right? Now the next command is SP line CV. CV means full form of CV is control vertices. See what is the difference between the SP line fit and SP line CV. You just specify the first point like this and click on this point. See, the line is drawn as the tangential to these two lines.
Yeah, sir.
The curve is drawn tangential
Tangential.
to the two lines, right?
Two lines.
Like this.
Okay. Okay.
And press enter to finish. Sorry. You just select the SP line CB. See, we have some extra dots. This dot is called vertices. What called? Vertices. Or you can select these vertices and reshape your arc by dragging.
Okay, sir.
So you can control your arc with the help of these vertices. That's why we call it as a control vertices SP line. Right?
Show me 1 second, sir.
Okay. For this controlling method, or we draw the fresh one.
No, sir. Just what we call your changes, sir. You made
Okay.
changes now from left.
Okay. You just draw your SP line, right? First.
Okay. Okay.
If you select this SP line, the
Okay.
SP line show you this control these vertices.
Okay.
This is the point where you click in the starting while drawing.
Okay. Sir.
You just click on that node and move anywhere in your drawing. The curve will change automatically.
We
Like
can
this.
adjust what shape we want.
Yes.
Okay. Sir.
That's why this SP line is called as control vertices.
Control vertex.
Right?
Yeah,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next command is construction line. What is the construction line?
In building plan, it comes in that point, sir. 4
Yeah,
mm, 6 mm.
it is also helpful in to build a plan.
Okay.
But it construction line means to create a line of infinite length. I told
Yeah,
you in day before yesterday, I think. Right,
Yeah, sir.
Rohit?
Yeah, sir. You told, sir.
Okay.
Construction line.
Yes.
Sir, our that line also it is construction line also.
Which
Our
one?
line command. Line command.
No. The line command means you have to specify the length of that segment.
Okay.
But in the construction line, it is the infinite length.
Sir, we cannot put dimension.
Yes, because it is infinite.
Okay. Okay.
Right? You just click on this construction line and we have to specify the 2 point here. The 2 point is, this is your start point, and second point is go through that point like this.
Okay.
This is your point, and second point is which point the line go through.
Okay.
Right? So the length of this line is infinite. Right?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. The shortcut key of this construction line is XL line.
XL line.
You just click type as XL in your command window and press enter.
Sir, I didn't understood this one, sir.
Construction line means you have to create a line with infinite length.
Okay.
You just type XL in your command window and press enter, right? Or you just click on your icon. Now, if you click here and specify your second point. So the line is created with the length of infinite.
Sir, where it is useful, sir?
Where it is useful? It is useful in to draw a center line or your plan. right?
Sir, for a plan, we take dimension, no, sir?
Yes. Just
Then
wait.
we can't take dimension here.
Okay, okay,
Explain with examples.
okay, okay, no problem. Now we have to create a plan, right? I just opening a plan. Just wait. This is your plan. We are going to draw this plan,
Okay.
right? You just activate your this X line or your ray. This ray is also a infinite length, but it is have a
Dimension.
no dimension. One end point.
Dimension. Only one.
One end point. And the second is infinite of length.
Infinite.
Right? You can take any one of them. Construction line or your ray.
Show me in
Or-
construction line.
Sorry?
Show me that example in construction line. And later you
Okay.
can say in your ray.
Just I'm saying that you
Okay.
use both the lines.
Okay, both are same.
This is the two-way infinite or this is the ray
One
which
way
have
infinite.
one infinite,
One
one
way
way infinite and one endpoint. Right?
Yes.
One point is fixed and another point is infinite.
Yes,
Similar.
yes. One point is fixed.
The starting point.
Yes, starting point. You just choose your construction line like this. One is vertical and second one is horizontal.
Horizontal.
Okay. Now see your plan. You have to create this wall, main wall of
Yes,
9
sir.
inch, 9-inch wall.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
This is also a 9-inch. You just select your offset command. O enter, right?
Yes.
And select distance as 9-inch. 9-inch. Okay. You have to just change your unit first in the fit. You have to choose. You just click UN. Type UN in the keyboard and press enter. And here you have to choose architecture. And here you have to choose inches. And this is your precision of 00, right? You click
Yes,
on
sir.
OK. Now you to activate the offset command and the 9-inch distance and create offset like this. See, right? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, now you have, see, the offset from interior to interior for this row is 10 feet, 10 feet 7. This
Inches.
13 feet is the horizontal distance, right?
Yes, sir.
Now you offset 10 feet 7 inch. Create offset and specify distance 7 feet 10 feet 7 inch, and you click on this line to this line, like, right? Again, we have to specify 4-inch distance because this wall is interior wall, internal
Yes,
wall.
sir.
And again, see what distance is 11 feet 6 inch and offset 11 feet 6 inch. See how we create a plan using X line. This is your plan, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the times 2 for the vertical axis. The vertical axis is 13 feet from this line.
Yes, sir.
You just select offset and specify 13 feet like this. And the wall, this is also 4-inch wall,
Yes, sir.
and again you have to choose 4-inch and click here as 4-inch like this, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now next distance to draw this wall, this toilet, the distance, horizontal distance is 4 feet
4.6
6 inch.
6
Okay.
inches.
Offset 4 feet 6 inch from this line, right? Okay. And again we have to create the 9-inch wall, because
Yes, sir. External wall.
this is your roof. This is your second wall of your toilet, which have on 9-inch thickness.
9 inch.
Offset and 9-inch, right?
Partition wall should be in 4 inches, right, sir?
Which one?
Partition wall.
But in your plan, it is clearly mentioned that this wall is of your 9-inch.
Yes, in
That's
plan it
why.
is mentioned, sir, but I'm asking generally, sir.
Yes, yes, you are right. Generally is of your 4-inch wall.
Yeah.
Again, you can see for this toilet is also a 8 feet.
8 feet. Yes, sir.
You just select offset and 8 feet distance from this wall to
Yes,
this.
sir.
Again, it is of your 9-inch. See,
Yeah, sir.
uh, specify 9 and create. Okay. Now, for this, we have also a
37.
37 3 feet 7
No,
inch
sir. 3 feet 7 inch.
offset 3 feet 7 inch from this wall, right?
Yes, sir.
Again, it is your 4-inch, 4-inch. But we don't know this kitchen part, length of this part, right? So we can choose from this side. Now this distance is of your 13 feet 5 inch.
Yes, sir.
You just choose your offset as,
From the toilet.
yes, from the 13 feet 7 inch from this line, right?
Yes, sir.
From this or from this one. It is
Ah, sir.
from,
Internal.
this is from
That
your,
toilet wall.
right? Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You just click here and click here. And this is also your 9-inch wall.
Yes, sir.
You just click 4 into 9-inch, right? Now, can I draw? Can I delete this extra lines? You
Yes,
just
sir.
call trim and
Trim
enter
option.
and remove these lines like this.
Okay.
And you have to remove these lines also. Right?
Yes, sir.
And
Can't we do this in line command, sir?
you do this,
It
but
will
it
be
is,
complicated.
yes, this is complicated. If you
It is
going,
no, sir. It is easy, sir.
yes,
This is
it
easier
is.
method.
If you going to draw with your line, it is very difficult. This
Yes,
diagram is completed only in 5 minutes.
yes, sir.
But if you going to draw this plan with the line, it take approximately half an hour,
Okay.
right?
So that's
Yes,
a
sir.
construction line.
Yes, that's why we are using construction line. Okay. Now we are going to
Sir,
create.
you use horizontally ray, no, sir?
Yes.
Sir, you used horizontally ray line, no, sir? Ray.
No. I am. You can use one of them, one array or your construction line.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
Your bathroom toilet distance is 6 feet. Now you have offset as 6 feet this line, right?
Yeah, sir.
And trim this line
4 inches.
and offset this as a 4. Right? Okay. And this line is of 5. See, 5 feet.
Yeah, sir.
Offset
6, no, sir?
and 5. 5 feet. Yeah. Okay. 5 feet. And this is also 4-inch wall. Like this. Right? Yeah. Remove these lines. Right? And see what was the this line distance is 8.8 feet
8.3. 8 feet 3 inch.
3 inch. We just delete these lines and this line also. Just offset, go enter 8 feet 3 inch from this line to this line, right? And again,
Yeah, sir.
this is a 4-inch wall. Go enter and 4, and you again you draw or trim.
You have to select offset option only once, sir. In this.
No, you just I am just every time I'm activating the offset for
Oh,
different.
from short keys.
Yes.
Sir, any shortcut?
O enter. O enter. Shortcut key of.
Offset.
Now,
O enter.
to remove these lines, we have to choose a fillet command with radius 0. Like this. Right?
Okay.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Okay.
How to know the radius, sir? To use fillet.
I specify radius as 0.
Okay.
See,
Okay, sir.
for this line, you have to connect this line to this line.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Right?
Radius 0.
With the fillet command, you just activate your fillet command and type R and specify radius as 0. You have to select this line and this line. See? And this
Yeah,
line
sir.
to
Understood.
this line.
Uh,
Right?
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Similarly, you can apply here also. It is only useful for the corner only. You can't apply here. Here you
Yeah,
have
sir.
to use trim command like this. right?
Yes, sir.
Now, see, my plan is ready or not?
Yes.
Yeah, sir.
Only doors are doors balance.
Yes, doors are remaining. See, right?
Yes, sir.
So with this process, you draw your plan which I give yesterday as homework.
Yeah, sir.
There is no puja room in this, sir.
Sorry,
Puja room.
which puja? There's a small temple in your bedroom. It depend on your floor size
Yes.
or your customer requirement, right?
Yes.
Yes,
You
sir.
have to satisfy your customer.
Yeah.
You choose your design as per your customer requirement.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, if we want to make a sink in a toilet room, so how can we make this?
uh, you have to use made your sink with the dimensions. I just drawing as in roughly, right? You just use this ellipse.
So we have to draw sink, sir. Here, there is no any images here.
It's just query for your Akash. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you have to draw each and every element in your plan.
And it's a colored window.
Colored window. Colored
Yes,
window,
sir.
you can change the color of. You have to change the color of your walls. You just select and change it from here, like this.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Or we
Sir.
will discuss it deeply in this layer part.
Okay, sir. Sir, where to
Yes.
change the unit, sir? Setting.
From where?
Sir.
Okay, you just press U and enter from your keyboard.
Okay, sir.
This drawing unit is come.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Now we have the different tab as architecture or a decimal.
Okay, sir.
If you choose the decimal, you have options only to choose mm, centimeter, meter, right?
Okay, sir. Okay,
In
sir.
your architecture and engineering, you have to choose in feet or inches.
Feet and inches. Yes, sir.
So now for feet and inches, you have to choose
Architectural.
architecture, and this is your precision.
Okay, sir.
And choose from precision from here, right?
Okay, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
here you have to specify insertion scale as inches.
Sir, precision means what, sir? Precision what?
Precision means
Precision.
accuracy.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Accuracy means just you have to specify after decimal to define accurate, right?
Okay, sir.
If you want to specify as 10 meter or 600 mm.
Yes, sir.
So what you specify like this 11.6, right?
Yeah, sir.
So this is the precision. So it is defined as how much part you will take as for the inch. This is
Sir,
accurate about 1 inch upon 256.
sir, we usually take 0 only, no, sir?
No, you can choose as half.
Okay.
If you give 6.5,
Okay, sir.
it means 6.5 inch,
Okay, okay, sir.
not 6 feet 5 inch, not 6 feet 5 inch, only 5.
Only 6.5 inch.
Yes, right.
Okay, okay.
So by this process you can arrange your units
Units.
now,
ठीक
right?
ठीक है
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Can we move forward?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next command is to define multiple points. It is used only to create point, only dot point, like this, right? This is your dot points, right? Hello?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is your
What is
multiple.
What is that dot point, sir? What it means?
If you want to draw a line from this point, right?
Okay.
But we don't have any specific point.
Okay.
You just draw a point here, like this. We
Oh,
created a node.
reference point.
Yes.
Node point.
Node point.
Okay.
If you want to change the this point position, point shape, you have go to the utilities and click on the point style. We have number of point styles. You can choose any one of them and click on OK. See.
So that
Okay.
from that point we can draw line to this line,
Yes.
perpendicular.
Yes.
Okay.
And again we have this divide command. You just activate your line, draw any line of 10 feet, right? This is your line of distance of 10 feet. Now you have to divide this line in equal parts. Which part? In equal parts.
Yeah, sir.
You can activate your divide command and click on that object. Now enter the number of segments. How many equal parts you want?
5.
5. You just click
Yes.
as type as 5 and press enter. See, we have
Okay.
5 equal parts of this line,
Yeah, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
So what was the length of one segment?
2
Two.
feet.
2 feet. How you
Yes.
how you calculate?
10
10 divided by 5.
5 is the number of segments, right?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now again, I am creating 10 feet line again, right? And the
Yes.
next command is the measure command. Which command? Measure command.
Means, sir.
You just
First one is
activate.
a divide command.
Yes, first one is divide command,
Okay. Both
and
look same.
and this one is measure.
Major
Measure.
command.
Is it's also work is also same,
Okay.
but a little different. You just activate the measure command and click on your object. Now, what was the next step? Specify length of your segment.
10 feet.
No. 10
Four.
feet is the total length.
Yeah,
4
sir.
segments.
But how much length you want for your segment?
So here we mention the length.
Yes.
There
Length
we
of your,
mention the segments.
yes.
Okay.
This is the difference only.
Okay.
The size of your length. Oh, sorry, size of your segment.
5 feet.
5 feet. So how many
Yes, sir.
segment you create?
2.
2. That's why I'm going to create segment for 3 feet.
Okay, sir.
Just we have created 3 segments.
So what if we want one segment or one length, sir? Like for 3 4 3 means how it will be?
Sorry, just repeat
If you
again.
want different lengths, sir,
No,
different
no,
length segments.
no. This is only for your equal length.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
Now, for the 10 feet, only 3 segment will create of 3 feet, right?
Yes, sir.
But we have the 1 feet as extra.
Yes, sir.
So it remained as it is,
Okay.
right? So you
Okay.
understand the difference between divide and measure,
Yes, sir.
or how can we use this? You understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is your for today's class, and we will meet on Monday for the next
Yes, sir.
topics.
Monday's topics.